probably doing it. But for those people who have not done it, but can still do it, like, can they still do it now and affect the 2022 tax season? I believe there's a cutoff date in 2023 that will help lower your tax liability in 2022.
The cutoff date is April 18th that you can contribute this year into like IRA accounts to reduce your taxable income for tax year 2022. So the deadline
listen to that, guys. Like, if you think you're going to have a higher tax liability now, but you don't have a 401k or IRA, start one. It's better to take that money and put it for your future self than to just go ahead and have to, give it to the government. And I'm going to leave Cedric's information in the description box and a link to set up a consultation with him, and more about that at the end. But I just wanted to underscore that it's not too late to invest for the 2022 tax season.
Right?
So go ahead.
Right. I'm gonna go through two more. Same thing. Okay, so I started with the retirement accounts, health savings accounts, same concept. Also, people with children, you could start saving for college for your kids with tax deferred college savings account. They 529 plans and stuff like that. But you could save for your children's college education on a tax deferred basis, and it's the same principle as the health savings account and the retirement accounts. Whatever money you contribute throughout the year into these college savings account is tax deferred, so it's subtracted from your income. Again, the same example: you make $10,000. They say if you put $10,000 in the college savings account, they subtract $3,000, and your taxable income is $7,000. So it's the same concept with all three of those. They're different accounts, but it's the same concept. And lastly, I'm gonna touch on this briefly. Like, during the pandemic, a lot of people started businesses and was running businesses out their home, whether, if you own your home or apartment. If you have a business where you're buying or selling a product or service, please set up an LLC with your home address. It's critical that you do that. If you don't, there's money you leaving on the table. If you're operating a business is not set up officially. So, I could go into that. If you want more information on that, I can provide consultation on how to set up your business. I can, if you have a business set up, I could provide consultation on, how to maximize, offsetting your income with your LLC that you set up in home.
Yeah. So thank you, Cedric. I will definitely add your information, like I said, in the description box below. Feel free to set up a consultation. Cedric is offering consultation for personal individual, family, as well as business returns. And the great thing is, after your consultation, if you decide and desire to hire its tax season for your returns this year, a huge portion, a good percentage of the consultation fee will be deducted from the total bill for your returns. And Cedric's fees are so affordable because, like I said, he's here for the community, he's here for the culture. And so based on what your needs are, he will supply you the pricing. You can set up the consultation through a link that will be included. Now, what you will do is literally just book the consultation that you are interested in the consultation. Cedric will then text you back and work out of the most convenient time. It's tax season. His schedule it's literally tax season. His schedule is crazy. And so he is making the time for the community to help with consultations, as well as help people who need someone to do their taxes for them. And he's the expert. Like I said, been doing it for over 17 years. You can book through him through the link below. He will get your text number or your cell number, or you can leave your email address and he will email you. You'll work out convenient times. set up the meeting, and yeah, get all the gems that we just don't know by doing taxes ourselves or going just to a random tax preparer who's just there, they don't necessarily care about your best interest. They care about turnover. They care about, getting as many clients in the door, paid clients, and out as possible. So with that being said, I think we covered everything. We covered the reasons why your tax returns may be lower this year. We covered some hacks and solutions, which I know Cedric has more gems that he could share with you on how to offset your taxes moving forward, as well as for 2022. And we also covered the fact that he's available for consultations, as well as he does have appointments available to become your personal tax preparer. And is that your title, tax preparer?
Right. Yeah, that's it.
So once again, Cedric, thank you so much for your time. Again, we're going to have you back talking specifically to small business owners. I think that may be more of a live conversation where people can ask live questions based on your time. Like I said, this just popped up in my head today, so we'll work out the time. But again, check the description box for all the information regarding today's conversation with Cedric from It's Tax Season LLC in New York. And we'll be back with some more gems. Thank you guys for tuning in again. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. It helps get this message out to more people, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next time Cedric is back with us. Until then, thank you, Cedric. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
See you soon. Bye.